An adjustable tri-square is an essential tool for woodworkers, metalworkers, and DIY enthusiasts who demand precision and versatility. Unlike a standard fixed tri-square, an adjustable version allows users to modify the angle of the blade, making it useful for a wider range of applications. Whether you're checking right angles, setting mitters, or marking measurements for intricate joinery, this tool provides accuracy and flexibility. Typically constructed from high-quality stainless steel or hardened aluminum, an adjustable tri-square ensures durability and longevity even in rugged workshop conditions. The locking mechanism, often featuring a knurled knob or screw, keeps the blade firmly in place, preventing accidental shifts that could lead to measurement errors. Many models also include etched or laser-engraved markings for enhanced readability, ensuring that even the finest adjustments are easy to set with confidence. One of the standout benefits of an adjustable tri-square is its ability to adapt to different project needs, making it invaluable for professionals and hobbyists alike. Whether you're crafting cabinetry, installing trim, or working on detailed inlays, the ability to fine-tune angles gives you an edge in achieving perfect fits and seamless joints. Some advanced models even feature built-in spirit levels or protractors, adding further convenience for those who require absolute precision. Additionally, the compact and ergonomic design allows for easy handling and storage, making it a must-have tool in any workspace. Investing in a high-quality adjustable tri-square not only improves accuracy, but also saves time by reducing the need for rework due to misaligned cuts. In essence, this tool bridges the gap between traditional craftsmanship and modern engineering, ensuring every project meets the highest standards of excellence.